Public relations is a topic that has long been the lonely stepchild in MBA curricula.
The MBA initiative is a very important strategic effort within higher education to make sure that future organizational leaders are equipped with the tools that they need to manage reputation.
The time is right because the environment is so negative for business.
Our business students are in an environment now where anything can go viral in a matter of seconds.
We're living in a time when building and protecting brand trust and relevance is becoming increasingly challenging, and when corporate reputation can be crippled in seconds.
It's utterly critical for future business leaders to develop the tools and concepts to be able to be good stewards of their company's reputation.
Having developed the strategy is not good enough. You need to be able to communicate that strategy to a variety of constituencies to bring it to life.
At Quinnipiac, we believe really strongly in the importance of reputation management and related communication skills for future executives. And that's one of the reasons we're so excited to be part of this PRSA pilot.
We wanted to accomplish a number of things. One is to get a broad range of business schools, both geographically and in terms of the niches that they serve. The other thing that we were looking for was enthusiasm. Schools that were really eager to apply this program and to teach these skills to their students.
We've seen an increased appetite for this sort of coursework from CEOs who are looking for talent with expertise in reputation management, business schools who are looking to provide this knowledge to their students, and students who understand the value of having expertise in the soft skills.
A lot of MBA graduates don't understand public relations, crisis management, reputation management. So this pilot is coming at the perfect time, and it's serving the needs of the students.
If you're a student taking the class, you're going to learn the basics of good communication, starting with clear communication strategy, an understanding of how communication operates in an organization, both in terms of process and organization.
And the student reaction has been very positive.
PR, instead of being a reactive measure to deal with crises, is now an opportunity for corporations to manage the conversation around their brands.
That's what I feel like I'm learning in this class, is the ability to really communicate well.
Developing these skills while in business school will lead me into a career where I'm really able to make those connections and figure out what that piece of information is that needs to be communicated.
If you want to be a great leader, we all know that one of the key attributes of great leaders is their ability to communicate. This program helps you to get that.